Hey friends, if the devices and printers page is blank or not loading on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run the printer troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the printer troubleshooter. Okay, it will open this troubleshooter and start troubleshooting. It will need a while to detect the problem. The next one is to update printer drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for print queues. Okay, and then you can right click and update all the drivers. But I think that the third solution will be the main one. Usually other sites will say restarted, but I say that the clean boot and then restarted. Why? Because it may be prevented by third-party applications. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable or apply. Okay, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.